Okay, guys. I just got away from school. It's Mars at Petaway. And y'all know the deal. Just give me 5,000 and 50,000 million likes because I really like everyone in the world. Just thank you, everyone. And guess what? I got 3 million likes right now. So, just, I want some more likes. Some more likes. And tell me when you're done, okay? Because if you're done with the likes, just tell me. And if you want me to do a challenge, we'll just put it by the comments and then, yeah, I will do it.